Oh, will you look at that? I didn't know we had visitors. In case you was thinking of doing so, I'd... Now where did you go?
All right now, let go.
Speak to me like that. You have no idea the things I've done for this family. This type of behavior tends to occur when you go moseying around other people's homes. Now where are you squirming off to? Couldn't have gone too far.
Where'd you scurry off to now?
Come on home, little children.
Gonna peter out soon. Always happens.
I am a suitable mother. Don't you judge me. You ain't looking too bad. That is a lot of blood. They gotta be around here somewhere. There's things in this house I just can't let you see, darling.
Well, ain't you shifty?
Let go of your fear. It's holding you back.
Hard
Death
times is
doesn't
good
have
for
to be the
people.
end,
I know
you know.
how to raise them.
Just
Look at
trust
my
me.
Johnny. This constant running around is getting a little tiresome now. ain't none of y'all getting out of here alive. Don't ever use that tone with me. Do you have any notion who you're talking to? Do you know what happens to bodies when you plant them? They help the flowers real good. Now where are you squirming off to? I am a suitable mother. Don't you judge me. There's things in this house I just can't let you see, Garth.
What is this thing?
I found him. I knew I'd find him.
I told you! Stay away from my Johnny. I'll find you. I promise.
Fine. Let's play.
Hard times are good for people. I know how to raise them. Look at my Johnny. This constant running around is getting a little tiresome now. Don't worry, Johnny. I'll help you clean this mess up.
You need to get that
Now
damn boy
where
yours in line.
did
This is all
you
he's doing.
go? I'ma need you to find a... This'll slow you down!
Damn kids. Where'd they go?
This type of behavior tends to occur when you go moseying around other people's homes. sorry to tell you this, but ain't none of y'all getting out of here alive. They couldn't have gone too far. Now where are you squirming off to?
Look, I'm sorry. Ain't what's coming to you now? Up, you're moving. Interested in chasing you around much longer, so stop your running.
Your little friend had it coming. Johnny that way. He's a sweet boy. This house ran much better. Don't you ever use that tone with me. Do you have any notion who you're talking to? I know they're here. Somewhere. Ugh. There's things in this house I just can't let you see, darling. Look at that. Somebody's not doing so good. Now look what you've gotten yourself into. I could use some of this. Good for people. I know how to raise them. Look at my Johnny. I'll find you. I promise.
You better not be messing with Grandpa. See what you make.
is unacceptable behavior.
Now, where did you go?
It couldn't have gone too far.
Stay calm. You can use this.
Ah! You better stay out of my garden. This'll slow you down. That is... No, look! What the... Just be patient, Johnny. We'll find him. I always do. Now where are you squirming off to?
They always leave a trail. Oh, this is gonna be easy.
I know they're here. Somewhere. Hard times is good for people. I know how to raise them. Just look at my Johnny. Your little friend had it coming. Looking at my Johnny that way. He's a sweet boy.
See what you made me go and do?
I am a suitable mother. Don't you judge me. There's things in this house I just can't let you see, darling. Don't you ever use that tone with me. Do you have any notion who you're talking to? Do you know what happens to bodies when you plant them? They help the flowers real good.
Where did you go?
I'll find you. I promise.
Listen now.
Now where are you squirming off to?
insides before this night's through.
You ain't looking too...
But ain't none of y'all getting out of here alive. Your little friend had it coming.
Johnny that way. He's a sweet boy. This constant running around is getting a little tiresome now. I could use some of... There's things in this house
This
I
is
just can't
pointless,
let you
you know.
see, darling.
Quit stalling. Damn it!
Now where did you go? Oh my.
Just get back here. You're only making things worse. I know you around here somewhere.